Welcome sa sip9.com. Nakakailang videos na tayo sa ating Precalculus course, no? Dito sa video na to ay bibigyan ko kayo ng a little bit of overview about relations, no? Yung topic under discussion natin, no? Sa buong Precalculus halos, no? Mostly are relations, no? And one example of relations ay yung set of points on the coordinate plane, no? I think you are very familiar with relations kasi ang function ng inaral nyo nung junior high school tsaka senior high school ay made up of, function is a relation also, no? It's a special type of relation. Meron lang siyang condition, no? So, from here, sabi natin, one example of relation is a set of points on the coordinate plane. Ibig sabihin, pag set siya, pwede natin siyang i-represent as or pwede natin gamitin yung representation ng sets, no? 'Di ba? Yung set builder notation, yung roster method, no? Yung roster notation natin, yung list, ibig sabihin, and yung verbal, pwede rin natin siya gamitin, no? So, let's have some examples of review of the different relations, no? By the way, ang purpose ng video na ito, baka na kayo nagtataka, the purpose of this video is to familiarize you with the more formal notation, no, na ginagamit natin. Okay, so this is supposed to be the last one. Let's have this example. No? This is a set of points A, B, and C on the coordinate plane. No? So if we represent this relation R, pwede nating sabihin na R is equal to, yan. Gagamit tayo ng roster method, no? Yung coordinates nito, ano yung point A? Negative 2, 1. Tapos 4, 3. And then 0, negative 3. So, negative 2, 1. This is negative 2, 1. 4, 3. Tsaka 0, negative 3. So, yan yung ating relation. Next, if we will have another, paano naman to? Unahin natin tong horizontal. This is y is equal to 3, di ba? Kasi for any x, the value of y is 3. 2, 3, 2.53, 1.53. So, y is equal to 3. Kaso restricted lang siya. Ang restriction niya is that from negative 2 lang siya up to 3. Pero hindi kasama yung 3. So, paano natin yan isusulat sa set notation? Pwede natin siyang isusulat. For example, we name it as, ano ang constant niya? Y, di ba? So, x, ang x na niya nagba-vary, ang y niya ay 3, such that, no? Remember the set builder method? I-review niyo yung set notation natin, ano? Ano ang restriction ng x? From negative 2 to 3. From negative 2, x is between negative 2 and 3. Naalala niyo yung notation na to? Ito, ibig sabihin yung x niya ay greater than negative 2 or kaya equal to negative 2. Ito yon, negative 2. Pwede siyang greater than. Ito yung 2. Pagpakanan ka, mas malaki, di ba? Tapos included yung 2, kaya meron tayong equal. At the same time, less than 3 siya. Less than 3 siya, hindi kasama yung 3. No? Kaya siya hindi solid, no? Naalala niyo yung interval notation natin. So, balikan niyo yung mga videos natin sa series yung nagdi-discuss na interval notation. Okay, so that's our second set or our second relation. Our next relation is T. If we name it T, yung horizontal, yung vertical line dito, this is x equals 4, no? Constant siya na 4. So, from here, ang x niya 4, ang y niya ay maybe 1.5. Ito ang x niya ay 4. ang y niya ay 1. So, constant. Ang constant naman natin ay x. 4. Ang nagba-vary naman natin ay y. Such that, yung y naman ngayon yung may restriction. Ano ang restriction ng y? From negative 1 to 2. Pareho silang kasama. So, may equal yan, less than equal. So, less than, or greater than or equal to, ano yun? Sorry? Negative 1 up to 2, no? Negative 1 up to 2. No? So, may equal siya kasi solid yung ating point, no? Kung babalikan natin. Okay, so that's one representation. Remember, ito ordered pair siya. Ibig sabihin, a set of ordered pair x3, ibig sabihin ng x nagbabari yung x, pero constant y yung 3. But x is only from negative 2 up to 3, including negative 2, but not 3. No? Ganun din dito. We have the ordered pair for y such that yung y natin is between negative 1 and 2, including negative 1 and 2. No? So, yan lang ibig sabihin yan. Okay. Next. Yung number 3, I think this is very familiar. No? This is just a line, the line y equals 3 and the line x equals negative 1. So, actually, pwede natin siyang isulat na the relation v, for example. Unahin natin yung horizontal. Y equals 3, di ba? Sa set notation, pwede natin siya sabihin na the ordered pair xy such that y equals 3. No? So, pwede yan. O kung gusto niyo naman, pwede nyo na idiretso. X 3, no? O pwede nyo dagdagan ng ano yan, ng condition na x is the set of real numbers and y is the set of real numbers. But here, I think understood naman tayo na yung pinag-uusapan natin ay real numbers. Next, we have w. Yung x equals negative 1. Okay. Pwede natin siya xy such that x equals negative 1. Okay. So, ano na kayo? Familiar na ba kayo dun sa notation? Dapat pag-aralin nyo itong notation na to kasi ito yung more formal ito compared sa other books. No? So, sa ibang books, y equals 3 lang. No? Pero kinoconnect kasi natin siya dito sa set kaya gumagamit tayo ng set builder notation. Okay, so maraming salamat. I hope meron kayo natutunan sa video na to. Ang susunod na video natin, i-discuss natin itong dalawang sets na ito, yung sets. O yung relations na ito, yung V and W. Maraming salamat. See you in the next tutorial.